Today, we will be making a basic dough recipe that can be used in many different recipes. This simple, easy-to-follow recipe can be used for such things as pizza crust, cinnamon rolls, breadsticks, and much more. So let's get started. First, we start by mixing 1 teaspoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 cup of hot tap water, and 1 packet of yeast in a small bowl. Stir in the yeast until completely dissolved and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the yeast is bubbly. This allows the ingredients to activate. Next, pour in the ingredients into a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix and gradually add flour about 2.5 to 3 cups until a ball forms. Take out of mixer and allow to sit in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once it has risen, it is ready to go. It's as simple as that. This recipe can be easily doubled for larger recipes and made ahead to be kept in the freezer. It makes the perfect pizza dough, as you will see in our following deep dish pizza video, also included in the description below. If this video was helpful, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, as well as be sure to subscribe for more videos.